I have the nanoleaf light panels, the LifeX tiles, the Hue Play light bar, and other RGB strips. Now I have to try the Govee Glide lights. Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm a huge fan of RGB lighting, and I've definitely wasted a lot of money on them over the years. Today, I'll be doing a quick unboxing, setup, and then review. So let's get started. You have 6 different beams or segments. Each of them have 2 3M Velcro stickies on the back, which are quite nice. You also have this corner piece so that you can make different designs and configurations. This is the power block, or power adapter, and the mic input. Alright, everything's laid out. Let's get this up on the wall. Setup was incredibly fast. I had this up on the wall in less than 10 minutes. I really liked how you can easily pop these beams in and out of each other, and they're fairly light so they stick firmly to the wall with the 3M Velcro strips. My biggest fear when it comes to lights like these is that your phone won't detect the lights through the app. Sometimes it takes a really long time. For the nanoleaf, it took me just forever. So let's see how quick it is here. I'm going to screen record so that you can see. Wow, it detected it really quickly. And it's done. Let me just put the password in. Hold on, I'm going to block this part out. And that's it. Incredibly fast, simple. I love the setup. Alright, the app has a plethora of different features. I'm going to work top down and give a high level overview. So at the top right, you have the on off button. Then you have the effects lab. So let's say I wanted to change this to the color red. I can do that here. You have the timer where you can automatically turn this on and off, which is great because sometimes I forget to turn my lights off. You have brightness. So let's say I wanted to bring this to 100%, super bright, and then bring it back down. With light bar refresh, this is if you change the configuration of this, it will detect it and then match the new configuration. Modes, this is my favorite part. So with color, I can choose different segments to turn to a specific color. So let's say I make those green. With music, the Govee has a built-in mic that will detect my voice and then change the light bars to different sounds. It can also use the mic in your phone, which is really neat. With scene, there are a bunch of built-in presets. There's so many here that I'm actually going to make another video showcasing all of these scenes. My favorite one though is under life. It's called fireworks because July 4th. Now under DIY, you can make your own design. In this case, I made one called red and white where it just cycles through red and white. But you can choose different effects. You can add different color gradients. Really neat stuff. Honestly, the app is really well made. It's got a mix of simplicity as well as customizability. Love it so far. Now, these lights also work pretty well with voice control. So for example, if I say, Alexa, turn on Glide.
Okay.
There we go. Then I can say, Alexa, turn on Glide music.
Okay.
And here's music mode. Now, I made some customizations within the Alexa app. Make sure you do that first before you try voice control. Okay. Where the Govee Glide really comes out on top is with its setup process. Now this took less than 10 minutes to set up. And in comparison, the LifeX tiles that I reviewed a lot earlier, links in the description below, that took around 2 hours, which was just insanely long. Not only that, my phone and Alexa were able to find the device extremely quickly, which just takes the stress of that away from me. Also, these lights are just extremely beautiful. There's this nice diffuser pane that helps blend in all the colors. And that makes it so that this can act as accent lighting versus RGB strips, which go under furniture or tables to act more as mood lighting. With RGB strips, you can see the individual LEDs. With this, it blends all together. Next up, the app. Whoever designed it should get a cookie. I mean, it's just simple to use, but there's also a lot of customizability. I love the presets, but I also like how I can choose different sections to light up. Really cool concept, really great app design. Let's talk about cost. This was about $100 off Amazon. The comparable product is the LifeX Beam, which is about $150. Now they're both about 6 feet in length, so I want to say this is the more value one. Lastly, the setup, the lights, the app, everything works so well together in unison that this has become my favorite light so far, more so than the nanoleaf, the Hue, the LifeX. If you want to check it out, link will be in the description below. Now, that pretty much sums it up for the video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I will be coming out with another cool light video for the next one, so stay tuned for that. See you guys.